Hi, I'm Cooper. I'm in engineering for Mazenod College. I'm a Year 12 student and we are currently programming our claws to move from left to right to pass an inanimate object to each other. We've been working on this for a term and a bit. So we started last term and we've been completing it. So we started off with the construction of the actual claw and then we moved on to the programming of the claw. My personal favourite part of the entire thing was the construction of the claw because I like building things, but I found the programming really fun and enjoyable. Everyone's claw is different, so we all have different angles. So my one might be at 140 degrees and my mate's might be at 120, so we can never actually get the same angles, so we know that we're not cheating. And yeah, that's been the hardest part.